Hey guys, so quick answer. I was looking everywhere does Vivo V30 supports wireless charging, and I was looking literally everywhere on Vivo, and no, they don't. Is that even when I come here wireless, I can't find anything on their site about it. And when I'm going to even come here to X Fold Pro, X100 Pro, and I just look here for charging. Yeah, it's just not offers. Vertical wireless fast charger. So for example, this, the Fold X3 Pro is good. X100 Pro, dual flash charger plus wireless flash charge. Yeah, here it is. But when I look here for V30, I can't find any information on their main site, so it's not supported.